Hello all, and welcome to another edition of Yacht Tutorials. This one will be on making a decorative four-sided large refiner platform. Many thanks to Admiral Zen of the Astrocasters for helping me work out the basics, and MattBane, who is also of the Astrocasters and also a streamer, for helping me perfect it. So, let's get started. He worked with me to perfect it. So let's get started. As always, I work in build camera mode. I start out with a floor. I want a 3x3 just to give myself something to work with. And I leave a center part empty. I attach a small wall below that and a floor below it, just like I did with the landing pad in the previous video. I then want a wire. The length of it doesn't matter, but the direction does. You want it straight down the middle, and you want the end to be right at the center, so that when you glitch these next two pieces, they are also at the center. The first piece you want is this piece right here, the signal booster. If that happens, it goes sideways, it means the glitch didn't happen. I've talked about that before. Let's try again. There we go. The reason I use that part is when it opens up, look how it's got a laser beam thing coming out the top. I just want it for the laser beam. And I also want this. It is an electromagnetic generator, not because I need power, but because I want it for the looks. And for another purpose I'll show you in a moment. And I glitch that on there. Once I've done that, I no longer need the wire, and I can delete that. Then I take my large refiners, and I glitch the refiners onto all four sides of the electromagnetic generator. There's one. There's two. There's three. And there's four. When I cover it up, this is what I'm left with. A refining station that has a refiner on all four sides and looks kind of like a laser gun, a death ray pointing at the sky. You can actually build this into the wall if you want to have a laser beam pointing at the sky or pointing out at someone. But I think this looks kind of neat as a central feature in your building. So there you go. That's all you have to it. Have a great night.